Top 3 nutrients for increasing height naturally. We are going to talk about the food items, the recipes, Ayurvedic herbs, combinations that are very important, that boost the overall process of increasing height in the most safer and the most natural way. As you all know, the base of the building can be only built once. In the part 1 of the height growth video series, we've discussed that in spite of the parents' height being short, why and how Ayurveda works, what is the protocol, how does it really have an impact on the overall height. This is an advice we always tell patients out of emotions, out of thoughts, reading certain articles. Do not take any wrong steps at a younger age, whether you're 18, whether you're 20, whether you're 15. Choose natural, have the right point of view, think natural, go towards the natural way, because of course they are having great results if we have the right knowledge, if we have the right information. Safety is more important than the result. Ayurveda, the protocol, the treatment that is given, recommended for height growth is absolutely natural and safe. One must always keep a 360-degree approach in terms of the food items, the herbs, the exercises, panchakarma, recipes. There are various other things we've discussed in our videos. The link to all those videos are in the description box below. Let me explain you these 3 essential nutrients so each one of you get the best results, not just in terms of height, but a 360-degree growth and development in terms of the overall body as well as the mind. So let us begin with this video. Namaste everyone, welcome back to Jovies. Let us directly talk about these 3 nutrients. The number 1 nutrient. When I talk about nutrient, I am not here to advise you a supplement. Supplements must only be taken under doctor's guidance. Most likely they should be avoided. We must try and incorporate the natural sources of these supplements or any other supplements that you generally hear of. So the first supplement is calcium. Calcium is proven for height growth. We are all knowing about it. As per the Ayurvedic protocol, an Ayurvedic physician having the right knowledge of herbs, the right knowledge of dosage, as per the patient's age, body weight and other factors, uses certain Ayurvedic herbs, this Asti Shrungakala, certain potent medications that have the richest source, a natural, safe, richest source of calcium. Medications like the Kukut Tandakvak Bhasma, there is the Pravar Pishti, Godanti Bhasma, there is Kapardik Bhasma. There are various such medicines. Along with that, there are certain Yogavahi medications. Yogavahi, which means the certain medicines, if added along with the herbs, they enhance the qualities of those herbs. For example, the Suvarna Bhasma, Rajat Bhasma, these are said as Yogavahi. They enhance the qualities of all the other herbs that are mixed along with this. So such kind of combinations are prepared. It is advised to the patient has a rich source of calcium. If we talk about the easily available source, it is of course the milk. We advise patients, even while they are on the treatment, we advise them minimum 1 liter of cow's milk. When they take cow's milk, when they have a healthy diet, all the nutrients, they are directed towards the Asti Dhatu, towards the Majja Dhatu, towards the 5th tissue of the body, towards the 6th tissue of the body. Tissues are something that holds our body. It is called as Sharira Dharanat Dhatava. 7 tissues, the 5th and 6th is Asti Dhatu and the Majja Dhatu. So we need to add certain diet ingredients, certain nutrients that does the portion of this Asti and Majja Dhatu. So very important, 1 liter minimum milk intake. At times patient first hears this and gets shocked, but later on once the patient listens, the patient is amazed to see how it is affecting. We tell the patients, the person's, the child's parents, we advise all these things. We mainly talk to the parents when it comes to height growth. So very important over here, 1 liter minimum, 200, you can just have a divided dosage. No amount of bloating, gas, constipation, complication is seen, because all these herbs, all the nutrients, when taken with milk, they are directed well. Any food item you take, it should be directed well. Anupan is very important. There are various other aspects, very, very important. The food items must be directed well. For a female, after they get the periods, most of the nutrients that they take, it goes towards developing the sexual organs. And that's why females are, often we see that they are slightly shorter or their height stops growing after some period of time compared to men. Why? The reason is this, that the nutrients are going towards developing the sexual organs. So very, very important over here is finding rich source of calcium and adding it as a daily routine. This is the first one. The second nutrient, it's arginine. Rich source of arginine is moringa, drumstick. In Marathi we call it shevgyachi shenga. So this shenga, this drumstick, if you go through the amino acid profile, it is having great profile. It is rich in arginine, which is proven to enhance the linear growth, enhance the height growth. Of course, 5 to 9 grams is advised, but we will never advise you going for supplements. We will advise you to go for the food items, the recipes that are rich in arginine. One of the recipe is we have to take the dal of the pigeon pea, which is said as tur dal. Tur dal, mix the drumstick, the moringa drumstick into it and cook it well. One must add pinch, okay, these are hot, so a pinch of ova, a pinch of kali miri, which is the black pepper, and a pinch of hing into this. A pinch because it's hot, a pinch for taste. Mix it well. One must cook this, add 1 teaspoon of cow's ghee into it, and the soup, the liquid, must be consumed once or twice a day, at least. Regular basis we must take this, not just increment in height, but overall 360-degree growth and development on the physical level as well as on a mental level. It makes you sharp. Moringa has tremendous health benefits. So this is a very important recipe, a very healthy recipe. Moving on to the third nutrient, it is zinc. Zinc supplementation, zinc rich foods enhances height growth. Yes, of course, supplements, they may not have possible side effects, no comments on that, but I would recommend going for the rich sources. Rich sources must. Zinc is very essential. As per the Ayurvedic point of view, we choose certain medications that are rich in zinc. We often choose medications like the Yashad Bhasma, which is a very rich source of zinc. One must have the in-depth knowledge of the Yashad Bhasma or the herbs that needs to be mixed with Yashad. Self-medication in Ayurveda, at least in terms of the Bhasma, is not recommended. A person having in-depth knowledge of Ayurveda herbs is something that would be recommended. Trivanga Bhasma, which is the Nag, Vanga and Yashad. One of the ingredient or one of the medicine in Trivanga Bhasma is the Yashad Bhasma. Enhances the overall blood circulation, is great for skin. Many skin products, they have Yashad Bhasma into it. Very important. Trivang is important for the sexual system, reproductive system. It enhances or gives portion to the Shukra and Arthav Dhatu. One of it is Yashad Bhasma, which is a rich source, natural source of zinc. So these are 3 essential nutrients when advised to the patients. We've seen that the process has increased. Do follow the part 1, part 2 along with this. Go towards natural sources. Don't run behind the supplements. Choose Ayurveda, choose natural rich sources, have the right knowledge. And of course, there is a way out when it comes to Ayurveda. More than 90% of the problems where there's no cure, Ayurveda steps in and has a solution for you. One must have the right knowledge, a positive mind, open mind, and a lot of acceptance. One must give their 100% when it comes to following all these rules and regulations. And the best part, it is natural, it is safe. Self-medication, not safe. Something you take under a practitioner is safe. Of course, rich source, anyone and everyone can take. The moringa, the recipes, the milk, anyone, the camel milk, again, everyone can take. It is highly recommended. In the next video, we're going to talk about certain physical activities that you don't know, that we advise to our patients, that is very, very important when it comes to enhancing height. They improve the posture. It is great for the overall, activity, and has a lot of mental benefits when you have those exercises. So overall has best results. It stimulates the growth hormone, all these nutrients or all the exercises about which we are going to talk about. Let me know how you found this video. Write down your views, comments, in the comment section below. Do like and share this video further. Until next time, from Jovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.